All right, just got another Amazon package today for the Accord. I decided to go with the black housing headlights with the clear reflectors. Get rid of the amber. I did have a complaint with my last video that there wasn't enough lighting and also the sound. I need to get a microphone, but today I'm just going to record with my cell phone, so hopefully this video looks a little better. So anyways, I come home from work today and it was raining, so the box did get wet outside. But I'm surprised Amazon just left it on the front porch. But anyways, here to show you the headlights that I ordered. Here they are. And I think they look amazing. So they are the black housing. They have the chrome here where normally it's amber. Normally these are amber. These are clear on this one. So I currently already have the LED low beams and I have the LED high beams. I need to order LED turn signals here, and there is an LED bulb up in here. I'm sorry, there is a bulb up here, so I need to order an LED for this as well. So these are almost an exact replica of the Japan headlight housings. And now that I was looking at it, it's actually a dead-on replica of the Japan headlight housings because this is where the factory HID ballast would bolt up to the bottom of it. So I guess it's pretty much a dead-on replica. But I think it's going to look great on my Accord. My Accord's obviously white, and the windows are tinted, so it's all black and white looking. I think this is going to turn out great. Can't wait to get them installed. Hopefully I get a chance to do it this weekend. It's not too bad. I think you just have to loosen the front bumper. The front bumper just drops down, a couple bolts, that kind of thing. But just wanted to make a video of the new headlights for the Accord. And like I said, once I get them installed, there will be videos of the Accord and stuff with them installed in the car. But hopefully you guys like these headlights. I had thought about going with full LED headlights, but I think that's a little too much for me. I'm just trying to keep it clean, classy, nothing too crazy with this car. And I did go ahead just last night and order the Android radio. So here in the next couple of days, that'll show up from Amazon as well. And I'll get the radio installed. I think I'm going to do an amp and a sub in the trunk. But yeah. So I'll put a link in the description below of the headlights. They were $149 on Amazon, and there was a little coupon thing to click, and you saved $8 or something. I think it was $142 total. But I'll put the link in the description below, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Hey, and keep giving me advice, whether I need more lighting or better microphone or whatever I need. Hey, I appreciate the advice. Thanks, guys. Hey, guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here, just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.